When I use an open fire, each time I added wood, we would all have to leave the room because of the smoke in our eyes. Even the kids didn't want to come in. In those days, we mostly stayed outside. The firewood my husband would bring me was never enough. I had to go out and look for little pieces of wood or anything that would burn so that I could make a fire to cook on. I got sick a lot. My lungs hurt. I was coughing all the time. I decided I was going to fight to get this new stove. Now that we have the Justa stove, my husband said, "Now I don't have to bring you as much firewood because you still have plenty from last time." Even my kids come into the kitchen and sit at the table and do their homework. I can be here making tortillas, and they are here so I can help them with their schoolwork. And we don't cut down as many trees because my firewood is consumed more slowly. The trees have a chance to live. Before, we didn't let the little saplings grow up because we needed them for firewood. But now, they are growing bigger because we aren't cutting down as many. In this way, we are helping our environment.
Menos leña, entonces sí se está cuidando el medio ambiente.